Today's fountain pen unboxing is an exclusive Nettuno 1911 fountain pen. It comes in a black cardboard sleeve with the Nettuno 1911 logo right on top. You just slide the cardboard sleeve right off, and it has the plastic top and bottom, and they're both black. The top has a design made of the Nettuno logo. Sorry, it's got that weird reflection going on there. And then it has kind of rubber band straps here on both ends. And they're connected on the bottom, so you're not going to lose them or anything. It's really quite a clever design, actually. And so then you just can lift off the top. And inside, and then this is a foam insert center. Inside you have your brochure, your information about the company and the pen, and warranty information. Just all your basics are in this little book. And then that foam insert has a cutout, simply protects your pen, which is great. I love the simplicity of the design, while at the same time it looks so different and interesting. So packaging, pretty cool. And then this is your Nettuno 1911 exclusive pen Chalet Nereo with Palladium trim. That color combination is only available here at Pen Chalet. I'm just gonna give you a couple good looks here at the pen design. It's got that trident clip that you'll recognize, and they use a high relief technique. Give you a good look at that trident on the clip. Okay, and the clip is I really like how springy this clip is. Okay, and it has the palladium here on the crown of the cap. It is a flat, top of the cap is flat. It does have the two silver rings here at the top of the cap near the trident clip, and between those rings and the crown of the cap, that's solid black. And then you have this black and ivory mixed material here, and then the cap ends with another palladium ring. It's a threaded cap. The section is the black that you'll see at the top of the cap, and also in the blind cap at the back end of the barrel. The palladium is also featured in two medium-sized rings on either side of the barrel. They both feature this repeating pattern that I'll give you a look at here real quick. This is a cartridge converter pen. It's a nice branded converter here. You can see the Nettuno made in Italy right there on the back end of the converter. And you can see here's how you operate the converter. When you want to fill it with ink, you twist it all the way counterclockwise, dip it in the ink so the nib is submerged. You want to always make sure that that tiny breathing hole there is submerged by ink. And then while it's submerged, you go ahead and twist the knob clockwise, and it'll fill the converter with ink. Also, this pen, also you can go ahead and access the converter through this blind cap, and so then you can basically operate it similar to a piston filler, which is pretty cool. Let's see, can it post? It's a friction post, but it does post. I think that's pretty comfortable posted. I always like to tell people when I'm doing this that consider the fact that I have kind of small hands, but I feel like in my hands it's comfortable posted or not posted. So this is a stainless steel nib. It's a Bock number 6, and you can see this one's obviously a medium nib, but it comes in various sizes. But I almost forgot to mention that there is a designation of the brand name here on the barrel. It says Nettuno 1911, and the 1911 is written out in a cursive font there, and then it says made in Italy. And I zoomed in and focused on that really hard, so don't think that that's a really obvious thing. I almost forgot to point that out to you at all. I like that that is so subtly included. Okay, so this is your Nettuno 1911 exclusive pen Chalet combination Nereo with Palladium trim. If you want more information, look for this Nettuno fountain pen at pinchalet.com.